Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the pet alert stickers and static clings and 3 things you need to know about this. Thing to know number 1, this helps the fire department help save your pets, if at all possible, when something happens and you aren't at home. Thing to know number 2, there is a wallet card and keychain tag for you to carry when you aren't at home and have problems. And this way it lets the first responders know that they need to reach out to the listed emergency contacts so that your little buddies at home have somebody to look in on them and make sure they get taken care of. Thing number 3, the static cling stickers, which is the big piece you see there at the back, probably should be put on all your entrance points because that's going to be your best chance at getting a hold of someone. And as you can see, that's set for dogs, cats, birds, and if you have something else, you can write it in there. Just make sure that you always have something accurate on there as to the number and type of pets indoors so that the fire department isn't looking for something that is not there anymore. So take a look at this one. It's a way to help you, help your pets, and help our folks in the fire department. So take a look at this one and think about getting this added to your house today.